Welcome back to channel Unwith Orhan. So today I will give the amazing site. First of all, I will tell you the site name is. The site name is Walmart.88. So this is the amazing site. You can earn money home and everywhere. First of all, the procedure of how to get login. You have to just put in your email, login password, security password, then sign up the button. So this is the simple information of Walmart 88 how to login. So guys, I will fill all information, then I will do the next step. So friends, we log in the site. Now you have seen this. We have the I will tell you the one by one all step of this site. We have deposit, withdraw, download app, company profile, Walmart here. We have membership list here, VIP 7, a lot of membership live session here. We have Walmart 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, and VIP 7, VIP 8, and VIP 9, and VIP 10, 11. So first step is how to get deposit. You have to open the deposit section, and you have seen to wait for just copy this address and putting your TRC20 wallet address, and then I will tell the next step. So friends, we have here the wallet section. Just you have to open your TRC20 wallet address and send the button, and just you have to paste your address, your deposit address, and enter your amount. So just first of all, you have to just paste your address here and enter your amount to 21. You have to just put in your amount as you want to enter. You have to just put in your amount. Just continue the button and simple procedure how to get deposit, and then confirm your deposit amount is confirm in your account. So guys, this is a simple information of how to get deposit, and we done the deposit. After recharge, back to the site and just click on recharge completed. Then you have to recharge, you are done. So now I will tell you the next step is back to the site. So you have to mine the button and see my total amount 88 balance in my account. So guys, you have seen this. We have the mission hall VIP 1 is as a reward here, and I will tell you the next step to how to get withdraw. First of all, you have to order commission, open, and you have seen this. We have a task here. Just confirm the task, go to finish, and I will show you total amount here. So guys, my last go to finish the account, and I will show you total amount. So guys, mine the button. You have seen this. Refresh, and before we have 88. After the task completed, we have 91 balance in my account. Now I have time to withdraw. Just you have to put in your paste your address Tron and enter your security password, then confirm. Then you can get your withdraw amount. First of all, go to copy of the wallet address of your TR20. So friends, copy this as address, the withdraw, and paste your address and enter your security password. So don't move away, I will show you live withdraw. So enter your amount 3.00 and just confirm the button, and you have seen this. We have done the withdraw is confirm. So friends, we have seen this. We have the enter your amount 3 and confirm. So friend, now you have seen this with $3 USD in received in my account. So guys, we've done the withdraw, and you have seen this. We have done the step by step of Walmart of the withdraw section. You have seen this. We have the I will show you the finance record here. You have seen this. This is the withdraw account and withdraw proof here, $3 in my account. So you have to see, if you want to change your password, you can change. If you have any investment, then get any VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, and VIP 5. A lot of tasks here and daily reward here. And this is a team section. If you have any, so first of all, copy this link and copy this invite code, send your friends and family members. They will get rewards many time. We have level 1, level 2, level 3 home section. So you have seen this company profile. You have to read this all the company profile here, and back to the site. So this is the amazing site. If you have any problem, then click on the headphone. They solve all problem through Telegram. So see you to the next video. Take care.